CyRide. I'm going to be your bus driver tonight. My name is Griebel, and I'm from Helena, Iowa. It's in northwest corner. Anybody heard of it? Oh, we had people. All right. Sheldon. I had people there last time too. Okay. A little bit about myself. I'm a junior here at Iowa State in mechanical engineering, and I also drive bus part-time for CyRide. I want to tell you a little bit about CyRide. First of all, it's tri-funded by the City of Ames, the government student body, and also ISU. We offer 3 basic services. The first is the fixed route, which is color-coded routes, which cover 97% of Ames within 5 blocks. So that's a pretty good percentage. There's really no place you can't get with CyRide. Let's see. Well, we also have Dial-A-Ride, which is a premier service for elderly and handicapped. We also have Night Ride, which is my favorite. Oh, you've heard of Night Ride? It's a night service on the weekends for students, and it runs from 10:30 to 2 a.m. in the morning. And it's really cut down on the drunk driving here in Ames. And it's door-to-door service, so the students just need to call into the office, and they'll come pick them up. A little bit about CyRide's buses. We like to think they're probably the cleanest in the country. They're driven by 75% of the drivers are students, so we're friendly and we like to help your students out because we know what it's like. Let's see, they're inspected every 2,500 miles for anyone that's interested. Let's see, fares are 25 cents for students and adults ride for 60 cents. And we also have semester passes, which are $40 a semester, and it's unlimited, so it turns out to be a really good deal. And if any of you have children moving into the towers, have order forms if you want to surprise them. Be a good, nice going away present, I guess. Another item I have here is the schedules from last semester, so you can see how they mesh with their classes, because there's really no place to park on campus. We don't advise they bring a car their freshman year because there's really no place to park. And if they do park, they end up parking over here behind the stadium. And every football Saturday, they got to get up at 7 in the morning and move it, or it gets towed. I learned to take my car home my freshman year because I got many tickets, and I also got hit with somebody. Somebody hit my car in the parking lot. So, let's see, what else? If you have any questions, just let me know, and if you can't get attention, just ring the bell and we'll get to you.